Unsettled topics in the application of satellite navigation to air traffic management. Safety in aviation demands separation. Separation from what? From everything. Collision with anything must be avoided. What has air traffic control always provided? Location reports. Isn't that what's needed? It's not enough. We also need relative position from other aircraft, no matter whether we're over New York or London. Isn't separation just the difference between two locations? Conceptually it is, but forming separation that primitive way is inaccurate and not connected to the important time. Present locations can't prevent a collision a minute and a half later. Okay, how can we get both location and relative information with enough accuracy? By differential operation with individual satellite measurements. Think of the spectacular success of differential GPS. Okay then, what's the important time? The time of closest approach. How can that be known soon enough to take evasive action in advance? By knowing the dynamics, at least the velocity, for example. Will that really give the accuracy needed? It already has, in flight. Why is that useful? Because a gradual change well in advance can give a big separation later. What is done today without that? One aircraft suddenly climbs and the other suddenly dives. Couldn't satellite navigation offer something much better? Yes, definitely. All of that is just my 2 cents worth. These 9 expert contributors enabled the report to address much more. Overall topics include everything shown here.